Hey guys, how's it going? Finally I'm going to pick up my suspension from Mike. Can't wait to see it. I saw a picture, it's looking great. So basically I'm gonna install a suspension and triple clamps, so check this out.
Hey,
hello!
How are you? How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I just came back from Mike. Mike did this beautiful suspension. The color is, it's beautiful. Like it's looking like a real factory suspension, I will say. Yeah. So basically, that was my goal. And today we're gonna put suspension in. As you can see, I already have Xtrig triple clamps in, handlebar. Moreover, I have plastics ready with nice graphics straight from MX Graphics. Nice stuff. Before I'm gonna start, I need to take off the stock exhaust. I don't want to do it after I'm gonna put front suspension and wheel and all this, because it's gonna be, you know, a little bit more tricky, so I'm gonna do it now. I have to drill this hole for works connection starting the vise. I think it's gonna be pretty quick. It's not, you know, too difficult to do it, but I have to basically do it before I'm gonna continue. So I guess I'm gonna do a little bit more today than I thought, but everything is good. Guys, as you can see, suspension is in, wheel is in. I've put works connection, throttle tube. So basically we are moving forward to the end, but still a lot of things to do. For example, I need to modify those four guards a little bit, because works connection start devices in the way when suspension is compressing, so that needs to be a little bit modified. Okay, so plan for today is pretty much done. I'm going to eat something, so that's it for the day. Next time I'm gonna install probably this little guy, also with it's not just the cover, it's gonna be full billet Henson clutch. Probably I'm gonna install some smaller parts too, like those nice engine hangers. And yeah, basically we're moving forward. Can't wait for the summer. Actually, it's pretty nice and warm today, but still a lot of snow. So anyway, if you like what I'm doing here, like my videos, and can't wait for the new summer videos, vlogs and all this, click subscribe button, thumbs up, and see you at the track. Take care, guys.